Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Clash Royale stuck on loading screen. If Clash Royale gets stuck on loading screen, it's usually a connection or a server sync issue. First, start by checking your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see which one works better. Then, go ahead and swipe up from the bottom of your screen. Open Clash Royale, look for Clash Royale, swipe it away, then reopen it. If it's still stuck, restart your phone. Then turn off any VPNs or private DNS settings. These often interfere with Supercell servers. After that, head over to your app store, search for Clash Royale, and then check for updates. Version mismatches can cause endless loading, so make sure to update your app to the latest version. Then, once the connection stabilizes, the loading screen should pass and the game will load fully. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.